नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। आज हम देखेंगे स्टैंडर्ड 6 सोशल साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 15 यानी कि सेमेस्टर 1 का लास्ट चैप्टर गवर्नमेंट। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 यहाँ पर है एमसीक्यू। विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड? तो डी, इंडिया। सेकंड नंबर, विच कंट्री हैज़ द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ वोटर्स इन द वर्ल्ड? तो बी, इंडिया। Third number, at how many levels does the government work for the smooth administration of the country? तो B, 3. Fourth number, who takes charge of a village and a city? तो A, local government. 5 number, which governance system has been adopted in our country? तो D, democratic. 6 number, what kind of democratic system is there in the US? तो C, presidential. 7, which of the following is a type of government? तो D, all of these. 8. Who forms the government in a democracy? तो B, representative of people. 9. Who does the government work for in a democracy? तो C, for people. 10 number, which ideology is called the communist ideology in the world? तो B, leftist means डाबेरी. 11 number, how many person rule in a monarchy? तो only one person means D. 12 number, on the basis of what are the values of democracy preserved in democracy? तो C, the constitution. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, India is the largest democracy in the world. Second, in a democracy the country is governed by government. Third, the government of our country is elected through voting. Fourth, in democratic governance system government hold the foremost place. 5. Local government takes charges of a village or a city. 6. State government takes charge in the entire state. 7. Central government takes charges of the entire nation. 8. India has a parliamentary democratic system. 9. The tenure of the elected government in our country is for 5 years. 10. Communist ideology is known in the world as the leftist ideology. 11. The system which is run by the people of the people and for the people is called democratic governance system. 12. In democracy the court may give suggestion or orders to the government about various issues. Question number 3, put a tick marks right in the box against the following statement if they are true and a cross mark if they are false. First, in democracy power lies in the hands of people. Right statement. Second, monarchical ruler is selected without election. Right. Third, court may suggest or order to the government in the various matter. Right. The US is the largest democracy in the world. So wrong. India has the largest number of voters in the world. So right. The state government administrator the entire country. So wrong. 7. The democracy people elect their representative through voting. So right. 8 number, in our country people select the prime minister. तो wrong. 9 number, human rights are protected and promoted in a democracy. Right. 10 number, in some countries communist government is formed through the election. Right. 11 number, in the world communist ideology is known as the south wing ideology. तो wrong. 12 number, in a monarchy representative of state administrator the state. तो wrong. Question number 4, match the pairs. फर्स्ट स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, तो आंसर आएगा 4 नंबर, टेक चार्ज ऑफ द एंटायर स्टेट. सेकंड, लोकल गवर्नमेंट, तो आंसर आएगा 3rd, टेक चार्जेस ऑफ विलेज और सिटी. 3rd, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, तो आंसर आएगा 2nd, टेक चार्ज ऑफ एंटायर नेशन. और 4th, मोनार्की गवर्नमेंट, तो आंसर आएगा ओनली वन मैन रूलर्स. फर्स्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट, हाउ मेनी टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट आर देयर? विच आर दे? तो देयर आर 3 मेन टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. एक डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट, सेकंड कम्युनिस्ट गवर्नमेंट और डिक्टेटरशिप, एंड 3rd, मोनार्की. सेकंड नंबर, विच टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इज देयर इन आवर कंट्री? तो देयर इज अ पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नेंस सिस्टम इन आवर कंट्री. 3rd number, at what work does a democratic government legally do? The democratic government work as forming, reforming and implementing law, keeping the constitution in mind in accordance with public opinion. 4th number, what is democracy? According to former US President Abraham Lincoln, the system which is run by the people, of the people and for the people is called democratic governance system. 5 number, at which level does the democratic governance work? So the democratic government works at the 3 level as local self government, state government and central government. Question number 6, who governs the government in democracy? In a democracy, the government is governed by the direct or indirect voting of people. 7 number, why does each country require a government? Each country requires government to take different decisions for the administration and to implement those decisions. 8 number, which are the main function of a democratic government? So the main function of a democratic government are it forms, implements and reform laws as well as gives justice. 9 number, who governs the entire nation? So the central government governs the entire nation. 10 number, how does the communist government administer the government system? So the communist government manage the government system on the basis of similarity and equality. 11 number, as which ideology is communist ideology known in the world? The communist ideology is known in the world as the leftist ideology, Daberi ideology. 12 number, in a monarchy what is given emphasis? So in the monarchy emphasis is given only on the well-being and convenience of the ruler. Question number 6, historical reason for the following statement. First, people are at the center in democracy. So according to former President Abraham Lincoln, the democratic government means the system which is run by the people, of the people and for the people is called democratic governance system. In democracy, people elect their representatives through voting. The government is formed with the representative to administer the country. That government has to govern the country according to public opinion. If the government does not administer according to the public opinion, the people will not delegate the administration of the country in the next election. Thus, since people have sovereignty in the formation of government in democracy. Second, the right of the people are not maintained in a monarchy. In a monarchy, the ruler or king is at the center. The position of king is inherited in a monarchy. In a monarchy, people do not have the right to choose their ruler. In a monarchy, all power is in the hands of the king. The king's desire becomes the law. The decisions taken by the king are considered as final. Therefore, the right of the people are not maintained in a monarchy. Third number, the government makes amendments in law. So in a democratic, the government is formed from the representative elected by the people for the administration of the country. The government, keeping the constitution in the mind, enact the necessary law for the welfare of the people according to public opinion. If a referendum changes in a democracy, then the law enacted and implemented by the government have to be changed. Question number 7. Answer the following question briefly. First question है, why is the government required? So each country needs the government to take different decisions and to implement those decisions. The government is needed for forming, implementation and reforming laws according to the constitution. A government is required to apply laws and rules made by it on all people equally in the country. In this way, the government is required to maintain peace. Second number, how many types of government are mostly found in the world? So there are mainly 4 types of government found in the world. First, democratic government. Second, communist government. Third, dictatorship government. And fourth, monarchy. Third number, why is not possible for an administrator from one place in India? So India is very vast country and has many diversity. It has 28 states and 8 union territories, including the national capital Delhi. Therefore, many problems arise in managing the country from one place. Citizens have to suffer difficulties. Thus, it is not possible to administer from one place in India. Fourth number, what is the importance of government in a democracy? So, the importance of government in democracy. In a democracy, the government works by keeping people at the center. Human rights are protected and preserved in a democratic government. A democratic government is very important for all-round development and rights of the people. 5 number, what can be done if the laws framed by the government are not implemented properly? If the laws framed by the government are not implemented properly and if a injustice is done, a voice is raised against it complaint can be made before the court for people proper implementation of law. The court may order the government to enter the law properly. Question number 8, write a short note. Democratic government. In a democratic government, people elect their representative by voting. The government is formed from the members of majority party for those representatives. A democratic government takes over the governance of the country on behalf of the people. The final line of the power in this government is in the hands of the people. A democratic government is governed directly or indirectly by the people. A democratic government always protect and preserve human right. ओके, इसी के साथ ये हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 15 गवर्नमेंट का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन यहाँ पर ख़त्म हुआ। इसी के साथ सोशल साइंस स्टैंडर्ड 6 का सेमेस्टर 1 यहाँ पर कंप्लीट हो गया। आपकी एग्ज़ाम जो 18 डेट से चालू हो रही है उसके लिए आप सबको बेस्ट ऑफ लक। और आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी, जिसके अंदर आपको सोशल साइंस सेमेस्टर 1 के सारे वीडियो मिल जाएंगे। ओके, थैंक्स, बाय।